Before coming to lab, make sure you answer any unanswered questions. So what is a buffer? A buffer is a solution with a highly stable pH. If you add an acid or a base to a solution, it won't significantly change, and that's how it works. So the difference between a strong and weak acid is a strong acid dissociates and a weak acid partially dissociates. This can lead to equilibrium because if it only partially dissociates, the reaction stabilizes. We can minimize this effect by making a weaker acid, and by doing that, we add more water. So the final step before the experiment is to get your notebook ready, and that's by preparing 3 columns, one with formula, concentration, and pH. So the first thing in the experiment is to get the meter ready to calibrate. Once you do that, pull out the meter out of the tube and rinse it with deionized water. Once it's rinsed, it is ready to be put in the pH 7 buffer solution. Once in the solution, we type in the value 7.00 and click Keep on the bottom right corner. After we do that, we rinse the meter once again. Now the meter is ready to be put in the pH 4 buffer solution. We type in the value 4.00 and click Keep. And then we see on the screen that it's pretty close. So again, we see the process happening again. It is poured out of its bottle. The meter is rinsed. And then the meter is put into the pH buffer 7 solution. She's typing in the values for it. And then she's hitting Keep. And once she finishes that, she pulls it out of the solution and rinses it off again. After rinsing, she sticks it in the pH solution 4. Once ready, she types in the 4.0 value. And she hits Keep. So we see the next student pulling the meter out of the tube, rinsing it off, getting the meter ready, and putting the meter in pH 7 solution. She rinses it off again and gets ready to put it in the pH 4 buffer solution. She types in the value and then takes the meter out and rinses it back off to put it back in the tube that it was found in. And finally, on to the last student who is seen pulling the pH meter out of the bottle. Goggles are worn. The meter is being rinsed again with DI water. The pH meter is ready to calibrate. She places the meter in pH 7 buffer solution. The student types in the value 7 and hits Keep. She then rinses off the pH meter. And now she's ready to put it in the pH 4 solution. Now she types in the value 4 and hits Keep and then checks that the pH matches. Now that the meter is being washed off, we can actually test it to see if it works. We put it in the pH 7 solution and see that it's right around 7.01, so we record it in the notebook. We rinse it off again, and then now we are ready to put it in the pH 4 solution. It's at 3.98, that's pretty close, so we record that in our notebook too. At the end of the experiment, your notebook should look like this. Thanks for watching!